Hello, everyone. Good morning. Here we are again on our daily strongest vibration forecast. Today is July 28, 2026. And that's our strongest vibe for today is the 8th vibe. The 8th vibe is about yourself. So therefore, July 28, 2026 carries the empowering energy of the 8th vibration, encouraging you to focus on your purpose and take meaningful action toward your goals. Challenges may arise, but there are opportunities to build resilience and move forward with determination. Trust your ability to turn a corner, make positive changes, and lay the groundwork for lasting success. For every purposeful steps you take today brings you to closer fulfilling your greater mission. Today, you are called to transform your sense of self through love, beauty, and inspired action. Patiently channel your drive into creative self expression, allowing joy to expand as you build a solid foundation for your passion, dreams, and heartfelt creation. So, you guys, focus. Focus on yourself and yourself alone so that you are successful with this drive. Challenges, of course, is always there. You may feel pressured to provide yourself or push too hard. Well, stay focused without forcing outcomes. You will feel good about what you did. Guidance for today: you take steady, purposeful action and trust your persistence. Every challenge is an opportunity to create positive change and move closer to your goals. So, you guys, in this, I end this forecast for you. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you find this useful. You take care. See you next time. Bye bye for now.